In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the NFL Fantasy Football app step by step, from creating your account to joining or creating a league, managing your team, and understanding all the key features that will help you dominate your fantasy season. Whether you're completely new to fantasy football or just need a quick refresher, this guide will take you from setup to gameplay in no time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more fantasy football tips and tutorials. Let's start with the first step, creating your NFL Fantasy Football account. To begin, download the NFL Fantasy Football app from the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once it's downloaded, open the app and tap on Sign Up or Create Account. You'll then be asked to enter your email address, password, and display name. Your display name is what others in your league will see, so choose something creative or team-related. If you want to make the process quicker, you can also sign up using your Apple ID, Google account, or even your NFL.com credentials. After you've filled in your details, tap Create Account. The app will send a confirmation email to verify your account. Open that email, tap on the confirmation link, and your account will be officially verified. Once verified, log back into the app. You're now ready to start building your fantasy team and exploring all the features. Now that your account is ready, let's move on to joining a league, which is where all the fun begins. When you open the app, you'll see a screen that says Join a League in gray letters. Tap on that. If you're joining a private league created by your friends, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Received Invites. Here, you'll need to enter the league ID and league password that your friends sent you. Once you do that, tap Join League, and you'll be added instantly. If you don't have an invite, don't worry, you can still join a public league. Simply tap on Join Public League and customize how you want to play. You can choose your draft type, whether you prefer a standard draft, an auction draft, or an auto draft. Then pick your draft date and time according to a schedule. Once that's done, tap Get My Team, and the app will automatically assign you to a league that matches your preferences. You can also explore fan leagues, which are public leagues created by other users with custom rules and scoring systems. Tap Fan Leagues, browse through the list, and if one catches your eye, click Apply to League to join. Next, let's go over how to create your own fantasy league if you want more control over the experience. From the main menu, tap on Create a League, then give your league a name, for example, Fantasy Spartan League. You can set a password if you want to make it private, or leave it open for anyone to join. Once you've named it, tap Create League. You'll then be taken to your league management page, where you can customize every part of your league. Here, you can set your draft type, draft date, pick time per player, and roster size. You can also fine-tune advanced settings such as tiebreakers, waiver rules, and trade approvals. In the playoff settings section, you can decide how many teams make the playoffs, how the bracket is structured, and which weeks the playoffs take place. The scoring section is one of the most detailed areas. It allows you to assign custom point values to every action in the game, from touchdowns and passing yards to field goals and defensive stops. This lets you create your own unique style of gameplay that fits your group. There's also a Hall of Fame tab where you can track previous winners, and a section called Invite Friends, where you can easily share a link via text, email, or social media so others can join your league. If you'd like to make your league public, toggle the option Visible to League Directory and write a short description explaining what your league is about. That way, other NFL fantasy users can find it and request to join. Once your league is set up, it's time to start managing your team. In the Team tab, you'll see your lineup, including starters and bench players. Each week, you can swap players in and out based on matchups, injuries, or bye weeks. The app updates scores in real time as games are played, so you can watch your fantasy points climb throughout the day. Under the Matchup tab, you can view your weekly opponent, compare rosters, and track live scores. The Players tab is where you'll find available free agents or waiver wire pickups. You can filter by position, projected points, or player status to make the best moves. The Feed tab is your hub for league communication. You'll see player news, injury reports, updates, and chat messages from your league members. You can also use it to discuss trades or comment on game results. Before each week starts, make sure to check your team lineup carefully. You can use the Add Player feature to replace injured or underperforming players, and if you're unsure, the app provides recommended lineups and projected points to help you make better decisions. Staying active and adjusting your lineup weekly is key to staying competitive in your league. Once your team is ready, it's time to play. Each week, your players earn points based on their real-life performances in the NFL. For example, a touchdown might earn 6 points, while passing yards, receptions, and field goals contribute to your total score. Your goal each week is simple: outscore your opponent and climb the standings. As the season goes on, you'll trade players, pick up hidden gems from the waiver wire, and fine-tune your strategy for the playoffs. When the postseason arrives, it's all about making smart lineup decisions and getting those big performances when they matter most. And that's it. That's how you create your account, join or create a league, and manage your team in the NFL Fantasy Football app. You now know everything you need to start your fantasy season strong, and maybe even win your league. If you have any questions or if there's something I missed, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help.